Carrie McCoy with Avcom Solutions, and today I have the Savi 8200 UC headsets from Poly, formerly Plantronics. These headsets replace the popular Savi 400 UC models, which have been discontinued. The UC models in the Savi family connect to computers only with the included USB or USB-C dongle. I have these two models to show that you have access to a variety of wearing styles, including stereo over the head, mono, or convertible. This convertible headset comes with a headband, neckband, and ear loops, along with ear gels in various sizes for a perfect fit. These decked wireless headsets are great for those who work and make calls from their computers and want the freedom to walk and talk. The headsets offer up to 590 feet of range away from the base, but in a typical office or home environment, you'll get about 180 feet. The headsets all have close conversation limiting technology in the microphone, which means that everyone on the call will hear only the person talking into the headset without interfering background noise. The Savi 8220 also includes active noise canceling, ANC, in the ear speakers to block out ambient noise for you, and you can turn ANC off and on with this button. Poly has given us a way to optimize the audio quality in the Savi 8220 with 3 audio modes: wideband stereo mode for both conversations and music, wideband mode for conversation only, and then multimedia mode for music. When the headset is idle and turned on, simply press the mute button for 4 seconds and then release. The headset cycles through the modes with each 4-second press. The headsets come with a charge stand, the decked USB dongle, a travel bag or container, a USB charging cable, and an AC power adapter. Make sure that you have downloaded the free Plantronics Hub software to your computer. Hub lets you change your settings to customize your headset experience and keeps your headset updated with all firmware upgrades. I'll link to the Hub software in the box below. The Savi 8220 UC gives you up to 13 hours talk time, and the Savi 8245 UC adds unlimited talk time, thanks to the hot swappable battery that's charged inside the charging stand here. You will receive 2 batteries when you purchase this headset. If the battery starts to run low, you can do a hot swap during a call, and you won't miss a thing. If you are using Microsoft Teams as your communication platform, you'll want to buy the Teams certified variant. If not, purchase the Unified Communications variant, which is certified with all major communication platforms. All of the call controls are on the ear speakers, and I'll pop the graphics on screen so you can see how to answer calls, mute the mics, and more. You will hear voice alerts when you are muted, and also if you are out of range from the base. Thanks for watching our overview of the wireless Savi 8200 UC series. We'd appreciate it if you'd give this video a like, and please subscribe to our channel.